is heavy on me. When the night feels cold and I can't find peace, I lift my eyes to the heavens above. You hold me close in unfailing love. Lord, you are my strength, my song in the night. You carry my soul, you fight all my fights. In you I will trust, forever I'll stand. My refuge, my Savior, holding my hand when my spirit is weak and I cannot go on. Your mercy reminds me that I still belong. Your word is my life, my hope and my shield. In your holy presence, my soul is healed. Lord, you are my strength, my song in the night. You carry my soul, you fight all my fights. In you I will trust, forever I'll stand. My refuge, my Savior, holding my hand. Though mountains may tremble, though waters may roar, your grace is unshaken, your love is my core. Forever I'll praise you, forever I'll sing. My strength and my portion, my God, my King. Lord, you are my strength, my song in the night. You carry my